Hello everyone, welcome back to Arts Authority. Today we are diving into a fascinating topic. Do ants eat candies? It's commonly held belief, but it is true? Let's find out. Ants are fascinating creatures known for their diverse diets and ability to adopt various food sources. However, the notion that ants eat candies is a common misconception. Let's delve into the topic and explore the truth. In their natural environment, ants have a specific diet that varies depending on their species and ecological matters. Most ants are omnivorous, meaning they consume both animal and plant matter. Their primary food sources include insects, nectar, seeds, and plants exudates like honeydew. Candies, on the other hand, are not a natural part of an ant's diet. Candies typically consist of processed sugar, artificial flavors, and other ingredients that are not present in an ant's natural environment. Ants have evolved to extract essential nutrients from their natural food sources, which provide the necessary sustenance for their colonies. However, it's important to note that ants are attracted to sugary substances. Ants have a remarkable sense of smell that enables them to detect sweet odors from a distance. If there are spills, crumbs, or food items containing sugar, ants may be drawn to them. While they are not specifically seeking out candies, the concentrated sugar content can pique their interest. It's crucial to understand that ants prioritize their colonies' nutritional needs over indulging in sugary treats. Sugar serves as a secondary food source for ants when their primary options are scarce. While it can provide a quick energy boost, but it lacks the essential nutrients for their overall health and well-being. Moreover, excessive sugar consumption can lead to imbalances within the ant colony. Ants require a balanced diet to thrive, and a diet high in sugar can cause malnutrition and health issues among them. Therefore, it is not advisable to feed ants candies or other sugary food intentionally, as it disrupts their natural diet and can harm their colony. In urban environments where candies or other sweet treats may be more accessible, ants may exploit these food sources if they are left uncovered or spills occurs. However, it's important to note that this behavior is opportunistic rather than a deliberate preference for candies. To prevent ants from being attracted to candies, it is recommended to store food items properly in sealed containers, clean up spills or crumbs promptly, and use ant deterrents such as natural repellents or barriers to discourage their access to sugary treats. These preventive measures help maintain a balanced ecosystem and avoid potential issues associated with ants consuming candies. In conclusion, while ants can be attracted to sugary substances including candies, it is not a natural or healthy part of their diet. Their primary focus is on obtaining essential nutrients from their natural food sources. Understanding their natural diet and taking preventive measures can help us coexist with ants and maintain a harmonious environment. Thanks for watching the video.